4, 5, and now 6. Hip ball, come back. Down the sound, finger lock from behind. Bend down, twist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Gapchan Mokswam. Bend your legs, push your hip down. Palm together in the namaste and drop your right elbow on the left knee and now twist. A little push the hip down parallel to the ground. Your both shoulder aligned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Leg straight, Hamchan. Quiz one, bend down. Relax, 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 quiz one. Same practice, other side. Hemonla, Gapchan Mongswa, and drop your left elbow on the right knee, palm together in the Namaste. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Come back. Leg straight. Forward fold. 1. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Hip bow, high thigh leg, both hands up, palm together. Thumbs up. So, relax your head. Everybody 3 times, deep breathing. Tatka hip bow, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale and now exhale. So this time you go the upper back. Put your both hands on maximum up. Just cover your upper back. Open shoulder, drop shoulder, inhale and exhale. Then try to push the hip front. Feel that maximum opening in your shoulder, in your upper back. Relax straight. Arms and everybody. 1, 2, inhale, exhale, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, finger lock from behind, bend down, twist 1. Breathing continuous all the time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Once again, put your hands on your upper back. One more round. The same. Inhale and exhale. Push your hip front and then try to bend back. Give the maximum opening in your shoulder, in your upper back, in your lungs. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Inhale, come back. Down thigh sauna. Finger lock from behind. Bend down. Alternate practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Everybody bend your legs. Gapchan. Thighs one. Your both hands down. Again, palm together. Will come in the twist. And then give a twist and just look up. Your both shoulder align. 2, 3, get down, 4, 5, and now 6. Chuasong, and here, Chan 5, Louis Sao. Put your right leg back. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Thighs one, relax your head. And here, Chan Chai Lane, your left leg up. 3 leg down, facing down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop your left leg on the right side. Now we try the half wheel pose here and just try to roll. Drop your head and your left hand every part. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Very good. Downward facing dog. Balan 3 times. Deep breathing for relaxation. Hít vào, thở ra. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Everybody jump and put your both legs in between your both arms. Very good. Inhale, both arms up, palm together. Thở ra, then thigh swung. Relax your hands. Inhale, both hands up, thigh in, chụp tay bàn tay. And thở ra again, try bend on your left side. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back. And exhale, bend on the right side. Thang tay, arms straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend forward. We swung. 1, 2. Inhale, exhale, continuous. Hít vào thô ra, tiếp tục. 4, 5, and now 6. Gập chân mông xuống. Bend your legs deep down. Chụp tay, palm together. Namaste. And now turn on the right side. Make sure your both shoulder aligned, your both palm in between your chest. 2, 3, up, lift. 4, 5, and now 6. Put your left leg back. Chân trái sau. Thang chân trái không được, so chân trái xuống. If you cannot keep your left leg straight, so you can drop your left knee down. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Nice one. Relax your hands. And here, chân phải lên, right leg up. 1, hip square, thang mông. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Drop your right leg on the left side. Half wheel pose. You can arm straight, you can leg straight, you can bend your legs. Thang tay gập tay, thang chân trái. Complete wheel pose and half wheel pose. 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Downward facing dog now. 3 times deep breathing. Everybody, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. Come in the meow meow posture, cat pose. And then stand on your knee. So here we'll try Nam Hai Kochan, hold your ankle. Everybody knows, flatten feet, option 1. Option 2, try any one. And then just come in the position. Come on, Tapti. Keep pushing your hip front side. Maintain your hip to knee aligned. Give the opening in your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Everybody open your knees, feet together. Yes, and now bend down. Push more. Feet together. You can feet together. Yes. Open them. Yeah. And now try. Hold for some time. It will give relaxation to your hip. your legs and your whole spine. Just few more seconds. Just few more seconds. Few more seconds. And now relax. One more time. Meow meow, stand on the knee. So this time everybody try to knee and feet together. Try your knees. And again, number and hold your both hands together. Try. Keep pushing your hip front side. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Come. Sit down, come in the child, same like before. Open your knees. Relax. Just relax.